Hello students. In last part we have studied about different types of chemical reactions and corrosions, rusting of iron. How we can prevent the metal from rusting of iron and corrosion. So the methods by which we can prevent the metal from corrosion or rust. The methods by which we can prevent the metal from rusting or corrosion are: number one, by painting. We can paint the metals. By oiling, by greasing, galvanization, electroplating, and making alloy. These are the methods we can prevent the metal from rusting or corrosions. By painting, by oiling, by greasing. These are the simple method. Galvanization. What is galvanization? A thin coat of zinc metal deposit on iron articles. Just like as when we buy a new bucket of iron, we can see that there is a small thin layer of whitish substance, that is zinc. So galvanization, a process in which a thin layer of zinc deposit on iron. This method is known as galvanization. We can prevent the iron substance from rusting. And second one is electroplating. हमें definition तीनों की clear करनी है. Next one is electroplating. What is electroplating? You have seen that the handles, ringing bell of the bicycle. These are made up of iron, but they are coated with nickel or cobalt. This nickel and cobalt coat is deposited on iron with the help of electricity. It means the process in which a thin layer of nickel or cobalt deposited on iron with the help of electricity, that is called electroplating. Process in which a thin layer of nickel, cobalt is deposited on iron with the help of electricity, that is called electroplating. Next one is alloys. What are alloys? It is a homogeneous mixture of a metal with other metal. It means a metal with other metal, or a metal with a non-metal. मेटल का मेटल के साथ या मेटल को नॉन मेटल में एक होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर बना दिया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अलॉय. दैट इज कॉल्ड alloy. For example, brass. Brass is an alloy of copper plus zinc. Bronze पीतल है जैसे ब्रास, ब्रॉन्ज कांसा, कॉपर प्लस टीन, डुरेलुमीन is an alloy of four metals: aluminium, copper, magnesium and manganese. 95% aluminium, 4% copper, 0.5% magnesium, 0.45% manganese. These are the alloys. Example of alloys: brass, bronze, duralumin. Next पूछ लेते हैं, where is brass and bronze used? ब्रास और ब्रोंज का कहाँ यूज किया जाता है? These alloys are used in making vessels. बर्तन बनाने में they are used in making vessels. And duralumin, it is used in making the body parts of aeroplane and pressure cooker. It is used in making of body parts of an aeroplane or pressure cookers. These are the methods by which we can prevent the metal from corrosion or rusting. Next कुछ इसमें definition दी गया, what is galvanization, what is electroplating and alloys. With example it is already solved. Next topic is rancidity. What is rancidity? The oily substance, जो तला हुआ substance है, when oily substance is exposed in air, its taste and smell change due to oxidation, because oxygen react with oxidized oily substance and its taste and smell change. That is called rancidity. When oily substance exposed in air, its taste and smell changed due to oxidation. Means the presence of oxygen in atmosphere react with oily substance and its taste and smell change. This process is known as rancidity. Due to the reaction of oxygen with the oily substance. This process is called rancidity. Then you have seen that the chips manufacturers, when we open the packet of the chips or kurkuras, a gas is filled out, a gas is passed out. This gas is nitrogen. Nitrogen is an inactive gas which does not react with the oxygen. So to prevent the oily substance from the oxygen, we have put the packets in chips and kurkures in nitrogen gas. Thus, the chips manufacturers filled nitrogen gas in packets. Which gas is filled in chips packets? Nitrogen. Why? Because nitrogen is an inactive gas. This is due to, because nitrogen is an inactive gas. Thus, this nitrogen save the oily substance from the oxidation. Clear?